Is your GoTrax scooter not working properly? Is it failing to power on? Or are you having issues with the display? A simple reset can often fix these problems. In this video, we'll show you two different step-by-step methods to reset your GoTrax scooter. A simple power button reset for common glitches, and a more advanced hardware reset for specific issues like a forgotten passcode. Let's find the solution that works for you. Method 1. The simple power button reset. This easy reset method works for most GoTrax models. It's very straightforward. Step 1. First, make sure your scooter is completely turned off. If it's on, press the power button to shut it down. Step 2. Now, press and hold the scooter's power button continuously for about 5 to 10 seconds. Step 3. You will notice the display lights turn on and then off again, or they might flash. When the lights become stable or turn off, it means the reset is complete. Step 4. Now, release the button and turn the scooter back on normally. Hopefully, your scooter's issue is now resolved. This is the easiest and most common reset method. If the power button reset doesn't work, or if you've forgotten your scooter's passcode, some models have a hardware reset option. This method is specifically for models with a digital lock feature, most notably the GoTrax G4 and some other G-series scooters. Please be aware this is a more advanced procedure that requires you to open the scooter's display unit, so only attempt this if the first method fails. Method 2. The hardware reset, for specific models only. Step 1. Carefully unscrew and remove the display unit from your scooter's handlebars. There are usually a few screws on the back. Step 2. Look on the back of the display's circuit board. You should find a tiny reset button or a pinhole. Step 3. Using a pin or another fine-pointed object, press and hold that reset button for about 15 seconds. You might hear a beep. Step 4. Release the button and reattach the display unit back into its place. Then, turn the scooter on. This should restore your scooter to factory settings and reset the passcode. We hope one of these two methods helps you fix the problem with your GoTrax scooter. Always try the simple power button reset first. Only consider using the second method if the first one doesn't work. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.